Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching. My name is Culture and today I'm going to bring you guys my summer unboxing for my Fabfitfun box. So here is the summer box. It's pretty cute and very fitting for summer. And then here are the items that I added on. I'll just show you the things that I added on. Add-ons are some products that you can buy discounted and just add it on to the box that's going to be delivered for you. This is a package of face masks by, who is it by? Honey Jarrett, I think is how you pronounce it. And then I also got this makeup drop silicone makeup applicator for foundation. I'll let you guys know how the makeup application goes. And then I also got this Kapari deodorant. A lot of people swear by this brand, and so I'm really excited to try another deodorant out. All right, on to the Fabfitfun box. I hope you guys are all staying safe, staying healthy. I know a lot of states right now, a lot of cities are reopening up, which is very exciting. All right, looking inside. How fun is this? Ah! Beautiful Gabby on the cover here. Here's to the real stuff now. Ta-da! Let's start off with this very exciting thing. I chose this in my customization. This is a satin pillow sleeve. I have been wanting these for so long. I don't know why I just don't buy it on Amazon, but I'm so excited. So if you haven't heard that satin pillows are the best pillows to sleep on at night. This is really pretty. It does not match my bedding at all, but that's gonna be okay. So it's satin on one side, and then on the other side is just a, I don't know what it is. It's very like a soft material anyways. I'm gonna throw this in the wash and use it tonight, and we'll see how it goes. It's supposed to help with your skin, with your hair. Let me read this here. Our innovative open-ended design fits over most standard queen and king pillows and pillowcases, perfect for home or travel. Open-ended, oh my gosh, so it literally is open-ended on both sides so that you can fit it over any size pillow you have. All right, that is a very cool design that they made, so that if you have a giant pillow or a smaller pillow, it literally fits over everything. Okay, next up is, this is by Tom's. If you have never owned a pair of Tom's shoes when they first came out, I'd be shocked. I owned a pair of Tom's a long time ago, but I did customize this to be in my bag, and these are Tom's Sunnies. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Literally feels like you have like an Instagram filter embedded in your eyeballs. The color change is insane. All right, I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm going to see if I put the sunglasses over the camera lens. It's not as dark like in real life. This is crazy. I love it. I mean, I'm indoors, so it's unnecessary, but I'm looking outside my big window right now, and it's very, I guess it's polarized, right? These are pretty cool. I love the style. Very chic, and it says here, give sight, right here. Who knew that Tom's would be coming out with some really cool sunglasses? Their shoes are really cute. Okay, next up. Okay, this is Peptide Moisture Reset Phytonutrient Facial Oil, Anti-Wrinkle and Restore. Flower extracts, avocado, pumpkin oil, and rice bran extracts. So pretty. Ooh, that just looks so divine, right? Facial oil is my friend. I use it every single night, and it really, really hydrates. It doesn't cause me to break out. Hopefully this product won't either. It just feels really, really good. This is Winky Lux Unibrow. Oh, look at that. Here's some pictures on the side. Universal Brow Pencil. I am in need of a new brow pencil. Okay, so there's a spoolie on one side. And then, okay, this is very, very similar to an Anastasia brow pencil that has a slant like that. So hopefully this has some staying power. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. It's not waxy or anything, which I actually don't like super waxy eyebrow pencils. And I do like the angle. And it has kind of like a teardrop design on the flat edge. Very cool. Okay, next I have this Taroko foot cream Sicilian blood oranges. It says here, apply onto your feet and massage from your heels to your toes. Okay, I'm gonna put this on my right hand. It smells really good, but it's not that thick of a cream. I love really, really, really super thick creams for my feet because my feet are really dry. Oh, no, there's a couple more in here. Yay! This is Grace and Stilla. Say hi to hydration, and this is a hyaluronic acid, which is awesome because I'm almost out with my current hyaluronic acid that I have. Oh yes, so cute. Ooh, it's nice and cool. I have Dr. Brandt Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. Very cool. I don't know if I added this, but either way, I love Dr. Brandt products. All right, so here is the packaging: Triple Peptide Eye Cream, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness eye cream. Apply morning and night to eye contour. There it is. All right, lastly is this Spongel hand cream. Signature hand cream will help soothe, nourish, and hydrate your hands and cuticles. Coconut verbena, shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. Oh, smells so good. All right. My hands are so moisturized with all these products now. All right, guys, so that is it for my summer Fabfitfun box. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.